In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect URLs on Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your dashboard and how to set up clean, reliable redirects that keep visitors and search engines on the right path. Start by opening your Squarespace website dashboard. From there, head into your site's main settings area. If you prefer to move quickly, use the search at the top of the panel. Click into the highlighted search field and type something like URL mappings or redirects. In the results, choose the option labeled Create Internal and External URL Redirects. That link takes you straight to the URL mappings page inside Developer Tools. On the URL mappings page, you'll see an explanation at the top that's worth a quick read. It clarifies that Squarespace's URL mappings let you change where certain URLs on your site point, and that these rules only apply when there isn't already a real page or file at that exact address. You'll also see a note that mappings should be listed individually, which simply means each redirect goes on its own line. If there's a small info icon or a numbered note, click it to expand any extra guidance before you proceed. If you're not already there, make sure you're in Developer Tools, then open the URL Mappings section. This is where you add your redirects. The idea is straightforward. You provide the original URL path you want to catch, and the new location you want visitors to land on. For internal moves within your site, use the path of the new page. For external moves, use the full, absolute URL. Keep the paths short and consistent, and avoid including your domain name for internal destinations. Just the path starting with a slash is enough. Enter each redirect on a new line so that everything stays clear and easy to manage. The help text on the page also points out that the destination refers to the new location for the original content on your site, which is a good reminder to double-check that the place you're sending people actually exists and is published. A few practical tips while you're here. Use lowercase paths to prevent accidental mismatches. Keep your old and new paths as simple as possible. And update any internal links on your pages to point directly to the new URLs, so you're not relying on redirects where you don't have to. Once your mappings are in place on this page, Squarespace will apply them automatically whenever someone visits an old address that no longer has a live page behind it. That's it. Your redirects